Appointment activities is now available within Conversations. Now you can easily track activities within the Conversation module, providing your business with immediate, visible feedback so that you know when appointments are canceled or deleted. This is going to enhance efficiency and client management. Let's talk about benefits. First of all, there's enhanced visibility. Now you can quickly identify canceled or deleted appointments directly within Conversations. It's also going to save you time because now you can access appointment details without navigating away from client interactions. And it's going to improve your client management. Now you can stay organized and informed with comprehensive appointment activity insights. As far as practical use goes, this has got some really amazing practical use. Now you can efficiently monitor appointment changes right within the Conversation module, enabling swift follow-up actions and adjustments to schedules, ensuring effective client communications and even service delivery. Let me show you exactly where this is located. First of all, you're going to be under Conversations in the left-hand navigation. Then you're going to select a contact and you're going to view that appointment. Now, in this example, you can see that an appointment was canceled. It's popping right up in that center window so you can see it quickly. View and update those canceled appointments directly by clicking on the pencil icon. You can also view deleted appointments. And just so you know, deleted appointments cannot be deleted. It is always going to show you that that appointment was deleted so that you know it happened. With this new feature, your business can effortlessly stay informed about appointment changes within the system, optimizing client management processes and fostering stronger business relationships. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.